Welcome back to Cars YouTube channel. This video we will give some knowledge about electric cars from Aston Martin Lagonda, which will be released maybe at the end of 2022. Don't forget to keep an eye on our YouTube channel. Enjoy watching. Aston Martin has relaunched the Lagonda name as an all-electric luxury brand for the upper crust. Its wagon hull rides on the same platform as the Aston Martin DBX, which makes us wonder how close an electric DBX is from production. Aston boss Andy Palmer told us that he expects electric models to have performance similar to the brand's gasoline equivalents and that he expects more than 300 miles between visits to the plug. This luxury crossover concept from Aston Martin's all-electric Lagonda brand is expected to reach buyers in production form as early as 2022. Technical and performance specs are not being offered, but we've been led to expect all-wheel drive performance on par with Aston's gasoline models, and up to 300 miles of range between charges. The Lagonda all-terrain concept's exterior is close to the look we can expect in the production model. While many cars are making their debut at this year's Geneva Auto Show, a seemingly disproportionate number are doing so on Aston Martin's stand. In addition to abrasive mid-engine supercars, the near-production AMR B003 Hypercar and the forward-looking Vanquish Vision, the British company is also showing off another electrically powered Lagonda concept. The Lagonda Vision concept sedan that took a bow at last year's show was, by the company's own admission, more what might be needling than nailed-down production reality. But we're told that this year's all-terrain concept is close to the exterior styling we can expect from the first Lagonda EVs to make production, a luxury crossover that will be going on sale in 2022. Aston has previously said that Lagonda will be an electric-only brand, something which has freed the company's designers from the need to find space for one of Aston's muscular engines in the front end. The all-terrain has more of a conventional hood than the very cab-forward Vision concept did, but it shares the sedan's long rear overhang, sleek lines, and a coach-hinged rear door to make anyone getting in or out feel even more important than they doubtless are. The SUV will sit on Aston's new electric platform and will be built alongside the forthcoming DBX crossover at the brand's new St Athan factory in Wales. It will use an underbody battery pack and, we've previously been told, all-wheel drive. We don't have any specifications, but Aston boss Andy Palmer has previously told us that he expects electric models to have performance similar to the brand's gasoline equivalents and that he expects battery packs to provide a realistic touring range, suggesting more than 300 miles between visits to the plug. There is still plenty of auto show magic in the concept's interior. Like last year's sedan, the all-terrain features front chairs that can motor themselves around to face those in the rear, which would require some pretty high-level autonomy to pull off in the real world, as well as a circular metal key which, as the official release puts it, floats in position thanks to the wonder of electromagnets. The cabin features a minimum of distractions, with vents and speakers effectively hidden. We've been told production versions can be expected to be similarly uncluttered and minimalist. As brands, Aston Martin and Lagonda seem some way apart, and it will be interesting to see how much crossover there is between the clientele drawn to the company's range of hydrocarbon-guzzling sports cars and those looking for zero-emitting, scent-themed luxury. But the all-terrain, and the production car it will spawn, prove AML is intent on finding out.